Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Aer Lingus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the information button, and then at the contact section click on the contact Aer Lingus button. And as you can see, here are all the like phone numbers and contacts that you can have according to where you live. So for example, they have different contacts for Europe, then the United States, then Ireland, and the UK. So just find the one that is more optional, and you can reach them through their phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.